I wasn't planning on buying this go-kart till the Z50 almost fell through. The deal almost fell through, and I was peeping Marketplace trying to buy something. I was like, this go-kart's it. I need it. So we drove an hour, scooped her after we got the 50. It is an Emic go-kart. Don't know much about go-karts. It's our, I guess, second one, first racing go-kart. And she's pretty solid looking steed. Tires are decent, all flat. Been sitting for a while. Needs a sprocket. Needs the whole setup. It's just basically just a roller. It's got a pretty nice freaking seat. No tears or rips. Decent steering wheel. Then you can turn this and it will raise and lower the cart for like flat track and oval racing. Busting in the old race cart. I'm gonna need a lift or something. Hell yeah.
Damn, buddy. Look at this John. She pretty. She's pretty fucking nice.
Yeah, one thing I'm gonna do to the old shitter cart is get all new bolts, and they have all different sizes, half sizes and stuff. Like, I just want 8, 10, 12, and 14 millimeter bolts and nuts. Like, that's all you need. That's all I have in my toolbox. So, definitely gonna get all new shiny bolts, washers, bushings, all that. But just took the steering wheel off. It's a pretty solid steering wheel. It's not worn down or nothing, but probably just going to hang it on the wall and get a nice new racing one. I guess it's time to pull the whole steering column out. Pretty solid. Just slides right out, and it's got this little bushing down here. Definitely have to grease or oil that. She grinding. Can I get it out? I forgot how the lady got it out. She turned on its side and just pulled it out, I think. Just another bolt. Not even tight. That's a dangerous one, too. Not even a cotter pin holding it in. It was halfway out. Got one wheel off. Ooh, those bearings look pretty new, actually. They look pretty. Just took the lug nuts off the first wheel, and I seen this little brand right here on the rim. VANK. Gotta search that up and check them out for sure. But these are some pretty clean, solid rims. Nice little wipe and a buff. Thing's gonna be chrome. Got all the wheels off, all the guards off. Kind of just want to leave the seat so I can sit in it for a little more, like I said. So that'll probably be the last thing. Then I'm working on this axle tomorrow. It looks like 3 bolts max. And this little bar right here, you gotta take off. Got a couple scrape marks on the bottom, but definitely gonna be adding more, so it's fine. No holes or nothing, so looks pretty decent.
Yeah, yo. They say I'm humble, but I'm cocky, no. Kids, but I'm Papino. Force couldn't stop me, no. Label can drop me, I promise. No distribution, no investors throw me dollars. No, real independence, yeah. They in they feelings, cause I did this alone.